Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Hey man, what's your name and what's going on? I'm Jacob. And what all's in here, man?
I just got 2 Scar VXF 15s.
Okay.
On 10.05K.
Alright. Did you do this install?
I did.
Nice.
You know, everything.
Oh, that's good. Did you build the box?
I did. I don't know what it's tuned to. I feel like it's like low 30s.
Okay. So low 30 hertz range. Do you know how big it is, cubic wise?
I don't know.
You just pretty much put together?
Pretty much, yeah.
Okay. Is it slotted?
It is on the back.
Okay.
I can show you afterwards.
Yeah, I'll do that. And what about your speakers and tweeters, upgrade electrical and all?
I don't have any. I just have 2. What is it? Just 2 AGMs on the back.
Okay.
And I had stock electrical other than that.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. So stock alternator?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have the big 3 done, but other than that, yeah.
Okay.
So,
nice, man.
I got a demo of you last year, so.
Oh, okay, you did. When I had the. Oh yeah, that was pretty loud before you.
Yeah, I tapped, so.
Yeah, it was pretty crazy. Is this your first time building the box? Or
yeah.
have you, okay.
Never done it before.
Really nice, man. Looks really good. I like it. I like your bass knob.
Appreciate it.
Sweet.
For some reason, like, if I have it, one of the RCAs unplugged, it's louder. I don't know why.
Really?
Yeah. It's like...
I've never heard that before.
Don't ask me. I probably did something wrong.
Unless you have your RCAs hooked up wrong in here and then one's on sub out instead of 2.
I've been meaning to pull my head unit, but I've been...
It's the only thing I can think of is if your RCAs weren't installed right on the head unit. So is there a way I can see the back? See how the box looks? It said only Denali's on the sticker. All right.
Yep.
Nice. Really tall.
Yeah, I don't know.
So you did a really slim port, but tall.
The thing was, I had a CRV before this.
Okay.
So I built it to those dimensions. So I could
All right.
any
Yeah. And then you put it in the SUV.
Yeah.
All right. Sweet. Do you know what you probably don't know much about the box, you said?
No, I pretty much slapped it together. I don't
Okay.
remember anything.
That's all right. But you got it where the box don't move, so that's good.
Yeah.
Nice.
I'll take a turn and let's slide around.
Yeah.
That wasn't too good though.
Yeah, it looks good. That's probably why your tune really low is you have a small port area here. And do you know how far back it goes at least?
Pretty much all the way to the back, and then it's like
Okay.
an angle.
Oh, so you actually have an L.
Yeah.
L-ish port. Okay. Nice job. What was your name?
Anthony?
Anthony.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, man. I met you before, but thanks for the demo again. Yes, sir. Anyway, yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. Sounds good.
On my IG, but I ain't tryna love nothing. I just wanna slide, hit the club with some ass touching, take it to the house, throw some racks, and we back fucking Give it to me right now. That bad bitch got her own cake, money in the bank, got her own safe. Set the record straight. Like a pair of nunchucks. To the house, go some. Give it to me right.
Nice, man. Pretty musical.
Yeah.
Yeah, you did a good job, man. And it gets pretty low.
Yeah.
Yeah. How low is that down? It's at 33?
33,
Okay.
yeah.
So like some mid-30s pretty good.
Yep.
Nice job, man.
I can play you another song if you want.
Yeah, man. Yeah, sing a song. Sounds good. All right. Nice job. Yeah, definitely mid-30s did good. I appreciate the second song. That was 28. That was down to 28.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Awesome. Great demo.
Thank you.